Hey, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's the YouTube babe here, and our focus today is on how you can style that bandana into an amazing, fabulous, lengthened look in just a few minutes. Well, how to wear that simple bandana into the best, just simply the best. And you can also do this using a piece of cloth. Make sure that you watch to the very end so that you do not miss out on any part of it all. Hope you enjoy, and as we get into it, just like the video, give it a thumbs up. You can share us out, you can leave a comment down below, you can subscribe, and if you do not feel free to comment down below, you can always talk to me via my socials. That is at Maureen stroke Miss Maureen, okay? You never know, here or there. So what do you need to have an amazing bandana look? You need to have a bandana first of all, just like this one, but not a must for it to be purple in color, pink in color. You can go for red, you can go for black, you can go for whichever color that you feel fits in right with whatever you're dressed in for the day. And then for this particular style, because we are doing it ourselves, you need an elastic band. You can use like this one when it's black, or this type of elastic bands. We have so many different colors. It's up to you to choose the one that works best for you. But if you do not have this, you can use a string to tie. We just need something to tie somewhere that I am going to be showing you. You'll have to watch the very end so that you enjoy every bit of it. You can also include a flat surface as one of the options that you need for you to do it step by step as I am doing it. Okay, so grab your bandana like this and then place it on your beacon on the sizes that you're going to be choosing and folding into. Place it on your flat surface just like that, and then from this tip bring it down to this other tip. Let me show you now. Or just do this, instead of that, just rotate it to have something like a star, an amazing star like that. And then from this top you just drop it down to have something like that. Put your pick and place it to your hair like that. Again, flip like that to place it. But you just pick it and then you place it that way. And then for it to look like a hat, you just bring it to that point and then use the elastic band. There's also two ways in which you can do this. I told you I'm going to be giving you all the tips, so make sure that you watch the very end. What have I just done? Let me just show you. You just pick it. You pick them like it's as if you're picking hair, and then you place in your elastic band. You can push your hair to the back, all of it, to have something like that, or you can bring it to the front to have something like that. Or while placing the elastic band, you can choose to do it this way. Once you have just folded it that way, you just place it, and then while holding, you hold both the bandana and your hair. I don't know which one you're finding to be the simplest or the easiest way in doing it, but all of them, they're fabulous, elegant, and that's the goal for the day on how to style your very own bandana DIY unisex bandana styles. So like this, you see how I'm trying to like just hold all of it, and then from here hold my entire hair, this side hold my entire hair, and then from the back hold my entire hair, like that. Now you see, with that I have made it one holding one entire thing, and if my braids were shorter, they wouldn't even be seen. So up to that point, you don't even need to have hair or something, you just do it. So you do not have to like do anything else apart from that. Leaving it at that makes it a complete look. You see, I just, or if you want it longer, you can pull a little bit of the bandana out to that point. I actually do love the outcome. Looks amazing, looks superb, it's easy. And if you do not even have the hair, as I was stating, if you do not even have the hair, it's also okay, because you see, the look is complete, there's nothing more to it. It's just amazing. It already looks like a bonnet. So remember to like this video, share it out, leave a comment down below, subscribe, tell a friend about this channel, share out to others, share out to others, and tell people about this channel. Okay, and remember to watch my other uploads right here.